How to get a Chegg free trial. Chegg offers a free trial for its subscription services, including access to textbook solutions, expert questions and answers, and study tools. Follow these steps to sign up for the free trial. Overview. Chegg typically provides a 7-day free trial for new users on their study services. This trial allows you to explore their features and decide if it's right for you. Step 1. Visit the Chegg website. Go to www.chegg.com in your browser. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Step 2. Create an account. Enter your email address and create a password. Alternatively, sign up using your Google or Apple account. Step 3. Select the service for free trial. Chegg offers trials for its study or study pack services, which include textbook solutions, expert Q&A, practice problems, and study guides. Choose the service you want to try during the free trial. Step 4. Add payment information. Enter a valid credit or debit card or use PayPal. You won't be charged during the trial period, but charges will apply after the trial ends unless canceled. Step 5. Start using Chegg. Once your trial is activated, you can access textbook solutions and step-by-step explanations. Ask up to 20 questions per month through the Expert Q&A feature. Use additional tools like flashcards or plagiarism checkers, if included in your plan. Step 6. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Log into your Chegg account. Navigate to Account Settings Subscriptions. Select Cancel Subscription before the trial period ends to avoid charges. Optional step. Check for student discounts. Chegg often provides discounts for students after the free trial ends. If you're satisfied with the service, you can subscribe at a reduced rate. By following these steps, you can enjoy Chegg's resources during the trial period and decide whether to subscribe.